Okay, we going?
3, 2, 1, eat.
Oh, I don't. Okay, first one is a 23.
Don't tell us what's in it first.
Okay.
Woo! Woo! Ouch! Woo! Look at that profit, man. It's like nothing.
We're just spamming.
Look at that noob movie. He doesn't even have a sandwich.
Some old crates I'm unboxing. 37.
You have 2 rec max right now.
Oh yeah. I'm
Oh,
feeling it right now. 3 boxes in, I'm feeling it.
wait, you haven't ate your sandwich.
Shh. Okay, fine, I'll eat a silly sandwich.
Not silly. These things give good luck.
I'm getting low frames right now. I just hear nom 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 nom.
Oh, back in your dive.
Woo, another one! Last key. Oh wait, I didn't nom nom nom.
Hurry, eat your sandwich right now.
I'm ready for an unusual. Wait, what? No, what did I just do? I just opened the store.
Oh, God. This noob.
Oh, this is what I did. The only time I unboxed the unusual is I shift-tabbed out of, so I could only see TF2 Outpost, and I came on a few minutes later. And then I saw, and it was like
no one cares unboxing. You didn't even get a strange.
I could have got I could have got all those here for one.
You could have got more. Did my weapon I gave you give you bad luck? He's silent.
Look,